Hey, this is Pete at Photogize, and today we're talking about an innovative new technology that we're rolling out called SendThePix. Now, SendThePix really simply connects any mobile device to your Photogize kiosk. Now, there are a lot of different technologies out there, hardware and software, that help you connect mobile devices to kiosks, but SendThePix is very different. Firstly, it requires no new hardware, no server, no cables, no dock. There is nothing to configure on the mobile device. You don't have to join a new network. You don't have to reconfigure your Wi-Fi. There is, in fact, nothing to install on the mobile device. You don't have to put an application on it or anything new. And it works with any smartphone or tablet, including those that are Android, iOS, Windows, BlackBerry, any smartphone or tablet. So let's take a look at SendThePix in action. What I have here on my desktop is actually a running copy of our Photogize Kiosk, and I have a simulator running the iPhone 6, and I have a simulator running a Google Nexus 4. So it's really simple to turn on SendThePix. You go into your configuration key in the kiosk, you click on Configure, go to the Consumer Options tab, and there's a new checkbox called Enable SendThePix Access. So once you check that, you have access to our technology called SendThePix. Now, SendThePix is a one-time fee to turn on, but you get to use it for 15 times before you make a purchase, so you can actually test it out if you'd like. So this is how it works. A customer walks up to the kiosk and touches a key to start, and there's a new photo source that appears called Any Tablet or Smartphone. So I'm the consumer, and I'm going to touch that. And what it tells the consumer is to visit this website called SendThePix.com. So I'm going to go to my iPhone 6 up here and click on my Safari browser and go to the website SendThePix.com. And it brings me to this page and asks me to click the plus button or touch the plus button to select some photos, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take this one and this one and click Send Now. So my photos are going to get sent to the kiosk, and I get this short code. So back at the kiosk, I click OK, touch OK, and it asks me for my short code, and I key in 3Q7A. OK. We find the photos, and we pull them up into our interface. So once you've sent these photos, you can then make prints, you can make cards, you can make calendars, anything they could normally do with our Photogize Kiosk, you can do with the photos that you sent. So let's start over and try it again doing Android. So I'm going to touch any tablet or smartphone. I'm going to go to my Android now, and it's a similar thing. There's a built-in browser on the Android. I installed Firefox. I like Firefox better. And I'm going to go to SendThePix.com. And same thing, I get a plus sign and click a plus here. Now, it looks a little different on an Android, so you can click Gallery. Here are some of the photos that I have in my gallery. I'm going to choose this one. Now, with Android, you can only choose one at a time. Now, this works differently depending on the version of the Google Android operating system you have. So I've chosen 2 photos. I'm going to touch Send Now, and the photos are going to be sent to my kiosk. So back at the kiosk, I'm going to say OK, just like before. And I'm going to get a short code. You'll see that in a minute. So that's 3Q7B. Okay. And once again, the kiosk is going to find and retrieve these photos. And there they are. And once again, I can make standard prints. Now, so this process works, as I said before, with tablets and smartphones. You can actually use your smartphone at home and use and key in the short code when you get to the store. You can do it in the car. You can do it on the way. You can even email the page to yourself, and so you have a record of it and come in later and key in that short code. But it's super simple. It works with any tablet, and all you need is a license for each kiosk to send the pics.